Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. What's up, everyone? It's Abby. And it's Sophie. Now we've got a history in and we've got our clothes on. I'm a rock star. I'm a versatile. So, what do I do today on your show? Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. I'm gonna get started then. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Somebody that I used to know. Somebody. Good, I'm getting for this time. Me and Abby were at a shop on the right side of the street the other way, and I was facing the right way. The shop was there, she was here, right? I was. And these girls walked out, and boys, and she's like, yeah. I got my cousin Christmas, and see what it as she's called. My name is Abby Thoughts. My name on Facebook is Abby Thoughts. It used to be Abby Kiki, then it was Abby Bieber, then it was Abby Rubies, then it used to be Abby Kate Jasmine, then it was Abby Jasmine, then it was Abby. So now, if you want to add me, it is now Abby Thoughts. And if you want to add me, it's Sophie Smith June. She loves Jason Smith. And if you want to add our best friend, her name is Jane Cowley. You see this? Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Right, so if you have any ideas for the next video, just please comment or subscribe on it, like or anything, and then we'll just or you could add us to Facebook or this. Just comment down with ideas to all we've done really is sing. We've got an idea we were going to do Bloody Mary Fest, then we were going to do what was it? The Scary Phone Call and loads of other things. So if you have any ideas, just please post them up. And that's it. See you later. Bye. Let's talk home. Wait, 2 minutes, like, we'll go on our video. Bye. Bye.